Today is his birthday.
Happy birthday. Did you plan that when we went to Delta?
I'm fixing this.
Nationwide speculation about the possible merger of political parties, groups, and/or associations, the forum resolved that the PDP will not join any coalition or merger. However, the PDP, as a major opposition party, welcomes any party, persons, or groups that are willing to join it with a view to wresting power and enthroning good leadership in 2027. 2. The forum reiterates its position taken in Asaba on the issue of the national secretary of the party, but in the wake of the Supreme Court judgment, the forum resolved to recommend that the deputy national secretary acts as a national secretary pending the nomination and ratification of a substantive national secretary from the Southeast Zone at NEC at its next meeting. 3. The forum reasserts our collective determination to avert a rape of our constitutional democracy, hence the decision of approaching the Supreme Court to give a clear-cut verdict on the interpretation of the provision of the law on the declaration of state of emergency in any state of the Federation. The forum therefore reiterates its solidarity with His Excellency Similaye Fubara on the ordeal in which his state and people have been plunged into by the declaration of the state of emergency, and we reiterate our commitment to stand with him till the end. Number 4, the forum finds alarming the worsening security situation in the country, as evidenced in parts of the country, especially Borno, Plateau, Katsina, and Edo states. The forum calls for the review and reordering of priorities and strategies, including adopting a bottom-up template that guarantees the subnationals to constitute an effective line of defense against security breaches. While raising the concerns above, we condemn the recent attacks in Plateau State and commiserate with the government and people of the state, especially those who lost their lives and properties during the recent mishap. Number 5, the forum resolved that working in conjunction with the National Working Committee, NWC, and other relevant organs of the party to hold a NEC meeting on the 27th of May 2025, constitute a zoning committee that will address all issues relating to zoning of the party offices and hold an early convention in August 2025, precisely on the 28th, 29th, and 30th of August in the ancient city of Kano. Number 6, the forum equally recommends the constitution of the zoning and national convention committees for ratification by NWC and NEC as follows. Zoning committee to be made up of Governor Douye of Bayelsa State as chairman, Governor Dauda Lawal as vice chairman, and Governor Mutfwang as secretary, while the national convention committee will be headed by Governor Fintiri as chairman, Governor Ademola Adeleke as vice chairman, and Governor Mbah as secretary. The forum expressed its deep gratitude to the host governor, His Excellency Engineer Seyi Makinde, the government and people of Oyo State for their unusual and good hospitality to all of us. Thank you very much.